You could tell we're very at home in factories.
I love factories. Hello, everyone.
Hi. We're in Vancouver.
We are.
AKA the Couve.
That's not what it's called.
Van City or something.
That's what it's called. But anyway, guys, we got flown here because we're going to the LUSH Factory.
Honestly, I think we've officially made it, or this is a mistake.
I mean, we don't know what we're doing at the LUSH Factory. I'm assuming we're gonna make some cool stuff, and that's just surprising that anybody would want us in a factory.
And would trust us in a factory.
Exactly.
So I guess
But we
there's
have
a car service.
waiting, so we're gonna go.
Service waiting for us.
So fancy.
It's like we're fancy. I don't get it.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Got the clue. So many bags.
So many jackets.
So many layers.
All right, I got the clue, guys.
Okay.
Will you
worth it.
accept this rose?
Is this like a LUSH Bachelor crossover?
Also, you guys, Vancouver is like the most beautiful city in the world.
It's kind of my new favorite place. And it's just so scenic. I love it here.
Yeah, there's so many trees, and everybody has a dog, and all the people are really nice and cordial, and they take care of the environment. I mean, why do we not live here?
I don't know.
Well,
LA
we're not Canadian,
LA
but
sucks.
I guess, I mean, honestly, depending on what happens in America, we might all be moving here.
I will
Come before you get it up.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Joslyn.
Hi, Joslyn.
Lily, nice to
Hi,
meet you.
Lily. Nice to meet you. I'm Kat, and this is our LUSH headquarters. This
Smells delightful.
No, this is where we hand make everyone's favorite products. From our bath bombs, we press those here. Scrubby Buddy Butter, the one that looks like a little bumblebee. Everything's made here, so we're actually gonna make some products today.
Seriously?
Yeah, I thought since it's almost Valentine's Day, we could make a super exclusive product, our GIANT ROSE BOMBSHELL bath.
Super
Exclusive. Super duper exclusive. It's actually 3 times the size of a regular bath bomb.
There's 3 of us.
Oh my gosh,
And we
perfect.
love to take baths together.
We are really good at it too.
Before we get started though, we need to lushify you girls a little bit. We're gonna put on
You guys.
some compounder shirts, like our compounders wear.
That has my name on
Yeah, there you go. So this one's for you. Here is Jocelyn's and Lily's too.
Oh my gosh, you even
You
spelled
girls can
my
get-
name right.
Always, girl, always. So you girls go get changed, and then we'll start making some products.
Okay, amazing.
We're in a factory.
We have actual uniforms on, by the way, with our
Name
name.
tags.
Hey,
Hey.
looking good.
Let's
Looking
get
started.
Looking
Pros. Well, this is actually one of the pros himself. This is Eric. Eric works here every day in the Ballistics room, compounding bath bombs. So he's here today to help us make GIANT ROSE BOMBSHELL.
Yeah, you're gonna be our
From the
expert.
very beginning, from start to finish, right?
We have the GIANT ROSE BOMBSHELL green mix, rose red mix.
Okay.
And then we have the main mix, the pink one.
Oh, yes.
And then we have the salt.
Oh, it's like an
rejuvenate.
exfoliator.
All of this goes in one
One
bath.
bath bombs, yeah.
But it's like big, it's for 3 people.
Yeah.
I don't think we said it was for 3 people. It was just that it was 3 times as big.
For us, it would work for 3 people though.
Yeah.
So put us to work. What should we do?
Here I have
We'll be
the-
watching, observing, etc.
That is a large mixer.
Ooh, do you make cakes in there too?
That's like KitchenAid mixer to the next
I want
level
that.
right there.
So first comes the sodium bicarbonate, which is just kind of like your household baking soda.
Oh, that's what makes it like bubbly,
Fizzy.
like science.
Yes, exactly.
What is this oil?
This the fragrance.
Like an essential oil?
Yeah, so we call that our essential components, and it's just a mixture of different ethically sourced essential oils. Super pure. It gives the products their like secret smell. Like that's
Without
what makes the
also like
products
hurting
the
you,
products.
which is
Yes,
amazing
totally.
as well. Eric, do you need some assistance with this?
Yeah, sure. You can pour this one.
Oh God.
This is the salt. carbonate.
Don't be nervous. I'm very wow.
That's a big
Heavy.
I don't know if she's strong enough to hold this.
All right,
Don't spill it,
here
John.
we go. Remember that pecan pie I ruined at Thanksgiving? Oh wow.
Ooh.
Cool.
You did it.
Yay!
Okay, ladies.
Next, Lily gets to do
Okay,
the
now we add the
ECs.
oils. Okay.
And you have a spatula too.
Can you smell
It's
those?
not a whole lot of oil for all of that.
So yeah, you don't need much because the essential oils are so pure.
They're
Just a
so
little bit.
potent. Good enough?
Yeah, it goes a long way.
Perfect.
You can
We have
just,
to mix a little
mix it
first.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Follow the recipe, you
Do a
know.
little.
What's the point of like the cage around it?
So nothing escapes.
Fly out.
But it seems like,
For
Yeah.
safety.
but it seems like it wouldn't Put your arm and cut it off. Got it.
So Eric, how many bath bombs will this make?
100 pieces.
What? 100 pieces?
How many do you make a day?
A day we make a lot. 5,000 a day.
5,000?
Yeah.
How many do you make annually? How many bath bombs is Lush making every year?
So we're scheduled to make 45,000 giant rose bombshell bath bombs.
Just that
for
one?
Valentine's Day. Yeah. Wow.
Now it's ready. If you want.
Erin,
Please,
it's your turn.
Please, I'm so excited. This is the best part. I just want to touch it. I feel like Tinkerbell, you know, just putting off. Get it in the. Sorry, guys. Jesus.
Don't apologize to us.
I'm sorry, Eric.
Ruining his workstation.
It's really satisfying to watch.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the glitter.
I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it, but there's literally glitter just floating in the air.
I feel like we're in the upside down.
It smells so good.
I just want to roll around in it.
Is this edible? I'm surprised Joslyn hasn't already asked that question.
Is it? I don't know. Can you eat the food coloring? You said it's safe.
I wouldn't eat it. I mean,
Not recommended.
So Eric, how long does this take?
15 minutes to 20 minutes.
Oh, 15, 20.
Okay.
Wow.
Just enough for a small nap.
20 minutes later.
So Eric is just scooping up the green mix now, and we're gonna get ready. We're gonna mix the red rose coloring next.
Awesome.
So yeah, so let's grab these ingredients right here for the red rose, and we can see. Ooh, so more ECs. You can stick your nose in there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it looks like somebody got murdered in here.
But like a good one.
See, I can do things. Now that we have seen how the colors are mixed, the baking soda, the essential components, we've seen where those rose oil smells really come from, we're gonna go just across the room and we're gonna start actually packing it. Making it. Girl said you've been going to the gym, so let's put us to work, girl. Let's do it. Okay guys, so this is Vaughn. Hey Vaughn. And Vaughn presses bath bombs for us here in Ballistics. So he's gonna press the bombs with us. So take it away, Vaughn.
So after you guys compound the mix, we go in pressing stage and we add citric on it.
Okay.
25% citric goes in every mix.
What
so
is citric?
Citric acid.
Okay.
So it makes like the bomb solid.
Okay.
So when you put it on the bomb, it's like a normal round thing.
Got it.
Cool.
I'm just catching on. That's why this is called Ballistics. Isn't that what this building is called?
Yes,
Yep,
it's
the
ballistic.
Ballistics
Because
room.
of bombs.
You know, I wondered, but I just didn't ask because I didn't want to sound up.
That's so cool.
Is there a reason you hand mix this and don't do this in the blender?
Well, we can't like add the citric right away. It's gonna get hard.
So it just needs to be right before you do
Yes,
it?
correct.
And this is how you get the muscles, right?
Yes,
This is
pretty
like-
much.
Help you
So
out.
usually when we press this, we do it in a group.
Okay.
So 3 people in a team.
fun. A
So
group activity.
one person is doing the rose, one
Okay.
person is doing the green, and one is doing the numbing. So I'm gonna start with the rose mix first.
Okay.
So rose mix goes in the roses.
Oh, so you put it in and
Yes.
then you kind of press. Oh, it's getting hard.
It
I
is.
like that it's a little moist too. It's a little malleable.
Are you good at cooking?
I am good cooking too.
But
Of
after
course
you cook
are.
all day, do
I'm
you
not surprised.
want to go cook at home?
So you want to make sure all the roses are covered. That is perfect.
It is perfect.
That is perfect.
Oh my God, what?
What about
Are you hiring? for the
That is
holidays?
perfect. So, oh yeah, we're definitely hired. You're hired right now.
I
You
wanna
can start
be hired.
tomorrow. So there's like the green petals that goes into it as well.
Oh,
So you
just
have
a
to put it on
dollop.
the middle. Yes,
This is getting.
in the middle.
You can see my little petals.
That is perfect.
Oh my
So-
God! What is Joslyn?
Fun.
So yeah,
Perfect.
now
Never.
now the design, the outer design is ready. We have to put the mix.
Wait, yeah, we're falling behind. Vaughn.
You guys, we gotta pick up the
We have
pace
to
if we want to
make
work here.
millions of this. So now we have to put the outer mix.
Okay.
To put one handful.
Okay, this is gonna be a lot easier. Oh, this feels good. So we take this guy and just.
Yep. Then we can put the salt.
And this is good for exfoliating, right?
Yes.
The salt adds a
Your
little
skin.
softening aspect.
That's what I love about this
hard.
bomb. It has salt on it. You want to pass me some petals?
Yes.
Oh,
There's like a lovely petals.
this is like, oh wow. Have you ever tried to eat one of these?
No.
Oh, I'm trying to eat it.
Nope.
It's edible, so it's okay.
It tastes like salt.
Well, this is all
It is
salt.
salt.
Now we have both sides ready.
Okay.
Ooh, that's the tricky part.
Whoa.
this is the tricky part.
Vaughn.
Now your first rose bombshell bomb.
Oh, it's perfect,
I
you
feel like
guys.
so emotional.
Should one person do it? Or do we
I
just like
think-
put it together?
Well, you guys can try.
It's like a beautiful
You don't
dance.
sound very confident in our skills, Mom.
Let's see.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah.
Like she's attacking me. So, and then how long do they stay in these?
A day.
A day?
We unmold it after when we pack it.
Okay. I feel very
girls want to try the giant?
Yes,
Let's go big.
please.
Let's go big.
It's pretty much the same as the regular bomb, but again, it's like 3 times bigger. So we have to put the rose mixes.
Okay. Also, by the way, I have to mention again, no one on the planet Earth has seen this happen yet, like except us.
This is one of the most exclusive experiences we've ever
Oh,
experienced.
100%. Our petals are in.
Oh my gosh, can we nail that?
So now we put the regular mix.
All right, Vaughn, hook it up.
So we
hook
put-
it up.
Lily,
You
this
put
is all
2
you, babe.
handful.
Okay.
2 handfuls, but what if you have small hands?
Maybe 3. Maybe 1 for me.
Depending on how tiny your hands are.
Then we want to put a hole on it as well.
Oh, is that what you use? Use the tight. Oh my gosh, that's inception. Add the salt.
Maybe I can
Salt,
put
babe.
salt in here, then you can put 20 petals in there.
20?
Yes. 20 petals, yeah.
On both sides or just one
Just
side?
on one
That's
side.
even, so there's more roses
Oh, yeah.
than 3 bath bombs because we only put 5 in the other
Yes.
ones. Now.
And you guys want to press it?
Yep, let's do
Go
it.
for it.
Okay, Erin,
Drum
let's
roll. Here
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, some of them came out, but I think we're good.
I've been lifting 8 pounds at the gym, like
I did
so
5
hard.
pounds this morning. I'm so worn out. Max
Athletes. Tell us who you did a good job on.
Honestly, I think it looks great.
Perfect giant rose bomb.
Hey!
Guys, we made this. We did.
It's perfect.
So now it just has to sit for a day, and then we can take one of our group baths.
100%.
Sign me up.
And we're obviously not going to come to Vancouver and only film one episode, so we're going to go eat some lunch and then film another one that will be airing next week.
Yay!
Let's take this.
Let's do it.
Goodbye.
And you guys, if you want your own Valentine's Day giant rose bombshell, the link is below, and you've got to check out Lush because we love them. Also, click that box over on the left to see Dude View taking on The Bachelor, or click that box over on the right to see us Beauty Trip to get a bee venom facial.